Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Ah.
Oh my goodness, that's a big sound!
So you want to crack it?
Yes, I'll count. 3, 2,
Uh.
1, go!
Ah. Ah.
It's flash on my face!
Hi, Zozo.
Hi, Daddy.
You want to say something?
Hi, welcome to Zozo Plays Fun.
Oh. What do you want to play today?
We're gonna play sink or float.
Okay. What do you have on the table?
We have a big tank and we're gonna fill some water and
Oh, you okay?
and we're gonna find some objects.
That's right. Today we want to play sing or float game. So we will find some objects around our house and we will try it out that object will sing or float.
Let's fill the tank with water. The water is filled up, guys. Let's find some objects. Let's
So, what objects you want to try to put on the water?
a superhero.
Superheroes? Wow.
Aha! I'll go to the beach. Aha! I'll go onto the bathroom. I'm gonna take my hot water.
Oh, Hot Wheels?
Yes.
Oh. Hi, Zozo.
Hi, Daddy.
So what now?
Let's test the objects.
Okay.
Mhm.
What is it?
Egg.
Oh, you want to try egg first?
Yes.
Let's try.
Guys, this will sink or float.
What do you think?
It will float.
Float?
Yes.
So, let's try it out. Oh,
Or sink.
it's sing.
Let's try the cheese sticks. It will sink or float.
I think it will sing too.
Let's try it. It will float. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Ah. It sing too.
Oh no. Let's try the balls. Let's try all the balls. Let's try 4 of them. And this is red. It flows! I'm right. This is yellow. This is green. This is blue. The ball float.
So, what next object you want to try?
Some grapes. This will sink or float.
What do you think?
Sink.
Sing?
Yes.
You know why it will sing?
Because it's less than.
It's because more dense than the water.
It's more dense than the water. 3, 2, 1, go! You cannot eat this because it's so dirty.
That's right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Sing.
Let's try the mango.
Mango?
Yeah.
Wow,
This
that's a
will
big...
sing- This will sing or float.
I think it will sing.
Yeah, because they have something. 3, 2, 1, go! It will play for like this. You cannot eat it too. 3, 2, 1.
Why?
Ah, it's sink.
Oh!
What?
No, it's not sing.
What? It floats on the water.
It float. You know why the mango float?
Because it's less dense than the water.
Wow, good job. That's right.
So
what next?
let's try the lifting truck. This will sink or float.
Let me think about it. I think it will float.
No, it will sink.
Sink? You think so?
Mm,
Let's find out.
3, 2, 1, go. It's
Whoa, that's right. Find out. It sink. So what next object you want to test out?
Pineapple.
Pineapple?
Yes, it will sink or float.
I think it sink.
Um,
It float. What do you think?
it will float.
Float?
Yes. I have a pen. I
Okay.
have an apple. Pineapple.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. It floats.
Yeah, that's right. So what next object you want to test out?
I'm superhero.
Superhero?
The story. Once upon a time, there's Iron Man and Thor with a flying wing. Hi, Iron Man. I'm gonna hit you with the hammer. Watch out! I'm gonna laser you with my laser.
Whoa.
Hi-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya.
Oh!
It
It's float!
And it go like this.
It float too!
Let's try the race. It will break soon because you need to use your hand.
Wow, the base?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, it will sink.
You will sink?
Yes.
Wanna try?
Because it will breaking.
Oh, it's float!
Oh no, it's gonna sink.
It's not sink. It's float. That you're wrong.
I wrong, you correct. Let's try the monster truck. This will sink or float. It will sink.
You think it will sink?
Yes, 3, 2, 1, go. It float. Oh, sink!
Oh, yeah, sink! Hi, Zozo.
Hi, Eddie.
So what next?
The car. It will sink or float.
I think it will sink.
Yes. Let's count, guys. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5,
Ah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, you have 10 cars and all of them sing. Wow.
Let's do the monster truck.
Whoa. So you want to crack it?
Yes, I'll count. 3, 2,
Uh.
1, go!
Ah. Ah.
It's flash on my face!
Ah, mess. Look at the yolk.
You
Sing or float?
afloat.
Oh yeah, float. Hey, it sing. It's sing again.
That's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Click on the red button and give me a big thumbs up if you don't like this bad water. Thank you for watching. Bye. You gonna eat this?
No.